You do not need a $20 monthly subscription to be productive. These free tools handle research and drafting without the premium price tag. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. The honest answer is, most people are overpaying for AI features they do not use. You see the massive marketing budgets for paid subscriptions and assume that a credit card is a requirement for quality. It is a trap. For a student or someone building a side hustle in 2026, that $20 a month is better spent on your domain name or a decent cup of coffee. Subscription fatigue is real, and it is often unnecessary. Most people struggle with AI because they use the wrong tool for the task, not because they aren't paying enough. You end up with generic results, or, worse, a tool that takes longer to manage than the task would have taken manually. By the end of this video, you will have a complete workflow of 7 free tools that handle everything from academic research to professional slide decks. These are the current best AI tools that provide professional-grade output for $0. No fluff. Here's exactly how to do it. Number 1, NotebookLM. This is the gold standard for AI tools for student and researchers. What is it? It is a specialized research assistant that only looks at the documents you provide. Why does it matter? It eliminates the risk of the AI making things up because it is grounded in your specific data. If you upload a 50-page textbook or 10 different PDFs for a market research project, it creates a custom knowledge base. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right. To use it today, upload your source files and ask for a study guide or a summary of the conflicting arguments between the papers. It provides citations for every claim it makes. One-sentence takeaway. Use this to turn a mountain of unread PDFs into a searchable personal database. Number 2, Perplexity. Skip the theory. Here's what actually works for finding facts. Perplexity acts as a search engine that talks back. While other models might guess at the news, this tool browses the live internet to give you answers with footnotes. It is essential for side hustlers who need to verify market trends or find specific statistics for a business plan. You do not need the pro version for basic daily research. To use it today, stop using standard search engines for complex questions. Instead of searching for laptop prices 2026, ask it to compare the top 3 laptops for video editing under $1,000 and list the pros and cons of each based on recent reviews. It gives you a structured answer in seconds. One-sentence takeaway. It is the fastest way to get verified answers without clicking through 10 different websites. Number 3, Claude Free Tier. When it comes to writing that actually sounds human, Claude remains the leader. Most free models sound like a robot trying to pass a Turing test. Claude handles nuance and tone with much higher precision. If you are a student writing an essay or a side hustler drafting a cold email, this tool ensures you do not sound like a template. Here's the thing most people miss. The free tier of Claude 3.5 or 4 is often more capable than the paid tiers of lesser models. To use it today, paste a draft of your writing and tell it to remove the corporate jargon and make this sound like a confident professional. It excels at following complex instructions without losing the plot. One-sentence takeaway. Use this for any task where the quality of the prose determines your success. Number 4, Gamma. This is the solution for the side hustler who hates making presentations. It is a tool that generates entire slide decks, websites, or documents from a single text prompt. Why does it matter? It handles the layout, the imagery, and the structure, which are the most time-consuming parts of a pitch. It is one of the best AI tools for anyone who needs to look professional on a budget. To use it today, type in the outline of your business idea or your class project. It will generate an 8-slide deck with a consistent theme in about 60 seconds. You can then edit the text or swap images manually. One-sentence takeaway. It turns a 2-hour design chore into a 5-minute editing task. Number 5, Hugging Face Chat. This is the gateway to open-source power. Most people only know the big brand names, but Hugging Face allows you to use models like Llama 3 or Mistral for free. Why does it matter? It gives you access to diverse models that might be better at coding or creative writing than the standard options. It is the ultimate resource for AI tools for productivity because it isn't locked into one company's ecosystem. To use it today, go to the site and select the latest trending model. Use it to write small scripts for your website or to brainstorm social media hooks. One-sentence takeaway. It provides the flexibility of a professional lab without the price tag. Number 6, DeepL Write. This is not a translator, it is a high-performance editor. For students or professionals who need to ensure their grammar and tone are perfect, this is more effective than most standard spell checkers. It suggests alternative phrasing that can make your writing more punchy and direct. To use it today, paste your finished email or assignment into the editor. It will show you 3 different ways to phrase each sentence. Choose the one that fits your voice. This is particularly useful if you are working in your second or third language. One sentence takeaway. It is the final polish that makes your work look like it was handled by a professional editor. Number 7, Microsoft Designer. This is the free answer to high-end graphic design. It uses DALL-E technology to create images and social media posts. For a side hustler, this handles your branding assets and promotional images for 0 cost. To use it today, describe the vibe of your brand and let it generate a logo or a set of Instagram posts. It is faster than learning complex design software, and the results are crisp. One sentence takeaway. Use this to create professional visual assets without hiring a designer. That's everything for today. If one of those saves you even 30 minutes this week, it was worth your time watching. To recap, use NotebookLM for deep research. Use Perplexity for live facts. Use Claude for high-quality writing. Use Gamma for instant presentations. Use Hugging Face for open-source variety. Use DeepL Write for the final edit. Use Microsoft Designer for your visuals. This stack replaces over $60 a month in subscriptions with free, high-performance alternatives. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We post every week, no filler. And drop a comment below. Which of these free tools are you going to test first for your workflow? I read every reply.